Good day, guys, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'll be teaching you how to cut a sapphire senator native. So, first and foremost, we take out 2 inches by the edge of the fabric. Remember, this is on the back face. You mark your cloth on the back. So, we draw a straight line there, and then from the 2 inches now, we'll first take out the length of our clothes so we can be able to fold out the button allowance. So the length for this shirt is 33 inches. Then we add 3 inches allowance for the hemming. So 33 inches, you roll it out, and then we roll out 3 inches hemming by the side or below it. So now we fold it on that 2 inches allowance that we gave, and then we'll mark out 1 inch. This 1 inch will be for the button allowance. You mark out 1 inch straight down, then you rule your line. So this 1 inch I've marked out here is where all my measurements will be starting from. All my measurements for this particular cloth will start from this 1 inch. The button allowance will just be there and will only be used for the buttons. So moving on, we take out the shoulder. To get your slant, you measure 6 inches from the beginning of the fabric, and then you take down 2 inches. Take note, this 6 inch I took was exactly from where I'm starting my measurements, not from the allowance. Understood? Not from the button allowance. So I slant my shoulder. This 6 inch slant will work for most clothes, including children fabrics. So this is the normal slant I used. Now the shoulder is 20 inches. So we take out 10, then we add half inch for the allowance. On the armpit here we take 6.5. And then the chest of the cloth is 44, which will give us 11. So we take the 11 from this line, mark out 11 inches, and then we'll give 1 inch seaming allowance. So now I'll be taking out 3 lines, which will give me the curve of the clothes. The slit will be on 17 inches. I will take out 6.5 and 13 inches to give me the shape of the clothes. So right here we have 12 all in all. We minus half inch and mark out 11.5 here. On this same line we'll give the 12 exact, and then below we'll add 0.3, which is 12.8. So chest exact here minus half inch, the same chest measurement here, and then we add 1/4 inch to it. So after that, we add 1 inch to the entire length to get the allowance for the folding. And then whatever you have there, you bring it down to the base also, and then we'll draw a line. Please, if you don't understand it, you can as well go back through it and take it carefully. So connect the lines together. So that's it for this part of the clothes. We are done with the side. So right now we'll connect the armhole. You can use your armhole cuff or you can use your free hand to connect it. So I connect the armhole, then we'll go ahead to cut the front parts. So sorry, I had to bring this down because when I marked these 3 inches, the camera didn't get it well, so that's the allowance there. So right now, go ahead to cut the clothes. So guys, I'll urge you to subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, like this video, and turn on your notification bell so that when we post a new video, you'll always be notified. Thank you guys. So the next is to turn the back of the remaining material. So now I'll place the front on it and arrange it. Remember I told you that anything we are drafting will not affect the button allowance. So now I left that button allowance, which is 1 inch, and arranged the chest exactly from that line I drew, that straight line. I hope you understand. The button allowance will not be part of the chest drafting, so it doesn't affect it won't affect the back. So you trace it out gingerly and gradually. So now at the top here we give 4.5 inches. 4.5 inches, which will help us to have a shoulder overlap, the back overlap. So now we'll rearrange it and take it to the front. So now you notice I put the back panel below it and then the front panel on top. So right now I overlap it with 1/2 inch and then give it a press. So after the pressing, next thing will be to start interpreting our measurement. So the shoulder is 20, which is 10, and I added 1/2 inch allowance. So I cut the armpit straight down, and then I'll deepen it a bit with 1/2 inch for the front panel only, just for the front flap. So after that, the next thing is the neck, which is basically the last thing, and then we're done with this drafting. So I take down 5 inch and 3 inch by the side, depending on the neck of the clothes. So for this particular neck, it's 18 inches, so this will give me what I want. So now we deepen the back. You dip the back with about 1 inch or 3/4 inch. So guys, that's the end. Thanks for watching. Bye.